Hello my honeys and welcome back to my channel. I am Bumblebee Fern. You can find me over on Instagram at the Frolicking Fern, where I do lots of witchy stuff and goodness and different grimoire worthy topics. So follow me over there if you're interested. And today we are going to be unboxing our Sugar Muses Deluxe box. This has quickly become one of my favorite companies for witchy subscription boxes, and they have 3 different size boxes, which is perfect for like the range of budget you are looking for. So they have their Midnight Muses, which is their smaller box. I actually have that unboxing for June, and I will link it somewhere up here, I think over there, and as well as the normal Sugar Muses box, and then the Sugar Muses Deluxe, which is just a little bit more, and then it includes the same, or it includes more items. So yes, I'm very excited, and let's get right to it. All right. I'm so excited. This box smells amazing. So here we go. See what our theme is. We have Psychic Illumination. Very exciting. So we just got another psychic, I think it was Psychic Sight in our Witch's Roots box. So I'm very excited to see what is in here. And also, I'm also really happy that they did include Litha in their theme this month in the Witches Muse, or the Midnight Muses box, because I definitely needed some items. So super excited to see what's super excited to see what is in this box. Usually they do their Sabbath in their larger box, so I'm pretty surprised about that. We have Athena. Beautiful, very, very cool. And the Book of Shadows pages, or the Grimoire pages, are done by KRISTI, who is the creator of this beautiful box. We have, oh, look how pretty this sticker is. It's like a botanical sticker. Very nice envelope. Super cute. Oh no, I'm ripping it. Okay, I saved it. So we usually have our oracle in here. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this tarot is. So we have the 6 of Swords. Wow, look, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to really show you. Like, it is so shiny. That is beautiful. Super, super gold tarot. There is the back of that. I'm sure it will tell us what deck this comes from. As a fun little thing, go ahead and comment down below what it is if you know. I will be impressed. I really want to get back into tarot. I haven't been doing readings and stuff for myself as much as I used to. I used to do them every single day, but with everything going on, I just haven't felt that energy. I need it. I need that energy back. So we have our card, Sugar Muses card. That information will be down in the description as well. Nice white wormies here. So first thing is this satin pouch. Give her a look. I can feel that. Guessing I know what is in here. Ooh, I'm letting you see first. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. Okay, we have a little box. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And this reminds me, announcement at the end of this video, so stick around. Super exciting announcement, actually. I'm very, very excited about it. Oh my goodness. So we have a heart pendant with a Queen Anne's lace in there. Flowers, so pretty. I love it. That is super beautiful. I'm pretty sure, I wonder if she makes these on her own, like these little pendants with like the resin cabochon, or however you pronounce it, on top of them, and like does her own flowers and everything, because she always has like really cute pendants that are this style. So I absolutely love that. Like, that is just so sweet. I'm definitely going to be wearing this because I love how simple and just naturey it is. Oh my gosh. I love very simple necklaces. Okay, so we have our oil. Let's see. Ooh, Solstice Moon Ritual Oil. So that will be nice for Litha and doing kind of like some moon magic on Litha. Very cool. And they're a different bottle than they usually have. You typically have their roller bottles. Ooh, oh my gosh. This smells very similar. Maybe is it their Midnight Muses box that I said the same thing, but something very similar to what a scent that I had when I was growing up. Almost like something, oh gosh, I wish I could put my finger on it. It is, I keep getting it on my nose, so sorry if you see me like right in my nose. Very, very good smelling, very fresh and crisp and clean. I almost want to say like, it has to have some floral notes in there, I know it, but almost like the same kind of feel that citrus gives you and that like crispness, but I don't think it is citrus. We'll have to read. We'll have to give her a read later. We have, oh, very nice. So Bara soap. Nice, like super natural, handmade looking soap. It says Sugar Muses, Aloe Tea Tree, and Ginger Soap. So I wonder if she made this on her own. Ooh, it smells really good. This actually reminds me of something I had too, like kind of one of my bath collection endeavors when I was younger. Very, very pretty. I love like those natural vibes. Nothing like too crazy colored. Oh, good. I have been needing one of these. Nice sage smudge stick. Nice and chunky too. I love that. Definitely white sage. Beautiful. I love like the leathery look that aren't leathery, like velvety look that sage has, and it feels super velvety. I wish I had been witchy back when I grew up in Cali, because I totally would have grown a crap ton of white sage for myself. So we have, what is this? I don't know, there's nothing on it, so almost you can hear like some little jigglies in there. So there's a white owl on the front and a black owl on the back. Let's open it. Oh, okay, this is actually what I thought it was. They are matches, I can see up there. That's actually very freaking cool too, because I have been wanting to buy my own matches instead of using a lighter. I feel like it's kind of more magical when you use a match to light your candles and ritual items. So perfect. Thank you, KRISTI. Yeah, I've been like looking for some cute kind of witchy matches. That's so funny. Now I like, after getting all these boxes, I'm like always so hesitant to buy anything because I always seem to get exactly what I need in my boxes. It has a nice little match, like lighter bit there. Some cute matches. Cute black matches. Very nice, and they're nice and long too. Like, so you can actually light quite a few things without like your fingers instantly being burned. Very nice, super handy. I love that, but I will not have to buy my own. Let's see. We have some, some herbal tea, witchy cold care. So that's really nice. Definitely nice with all the craziness going on. I guess it seems to like kind of be abating. I don't know. I think things are just settling down with the pandemic and everything, but very, very good to have on hand for sure. Ooh, let's get this. A beautiful white herby candle. So let's see what it says. Summer solstice candle. Perfect. Love it. Nice white with some pretty herbs on the top. We have some jasmine, gold glitter, calendula. Ooh, it smells very, very nice. Definitely it gives me like a masculine smell, like a masculine, almost like cologne-y smell. I mean, it could, like I've said before, I'm like so bad at differentiating like colognes and perfumes sometimes. Like sometimes perfume smells more masculine to me, just because I'm used to wearing like fruity scents. That's kind of what I like, but very pretty. Almost looks like they have some yarrow in here as well. So gorgeous. I love, love, love candles like this. Super pretty. Another thing to add to our litha supplies as well. And we have, ooh, so let's see what this is. Look how pretty. Look at this little pack of things. Oh my gosh, I'll open it, but I just wanted to embrace, or just enjoy that beauty for a second. Holy crap, whoever packed this up is just like me and sheds like crazy. We have these 2 sticks of some kind of liquid. I wonder if this is like an oxymel. Is that how you pronounce it? But I'm very interested in what that is. We have a beautiful white chime candle. So cute. This is like perfect for kind of like travel altars, or even just kind of like shorter spells that you want to do. Obviously, like any spell you can do with it, and it will burn. Won't take you forever to sit there and burn if you don't have that much time. A gorgeous little jar of herbies. So pretty. We have some florals in there. It looks like maybe rose. Let's smell. I love it. I love the smell of herbs. Let's see what our paper says. I love little like pouches like this that have a bunch of stuff in them. That's just so good and witchy to me. Love it. Oh, honey jar spell. Super exciting. So it says sweetening spells are employed in traditions of folk magic. Sugar and honey spells are some of the oldest forms of bottle spells in the world. In addition to the tools in the spell kit, you will need a small piece of paper and a pen. Once you have all your items together, write what you wish to draw to you, or an example, health, prosperity, etc. Write out 3 times the words under each other. Then rotate the paper 90 degrees clockwise and write your own name across what you've written. Very, very cool. Awesome. So they give you like the whole little spell there. I'll give you like a little, so you can read it for yourself if you're interested in that, doing it on your own. Super cute. I love that. So they give you everything you need, pretty much besides like the paper and the pen, to do this sweet little honey jar spell. Look how cute these little sticks of honey are. Oh my gosh, I just like want to eat it and suck all the honey out of it. Maybe it's the bee inside of me. So very cute. And then so you actually will be taking this jar, and this is what you're doing the spell in, and then dripping your wax on top. I love that. I usually do like spell bags because they're so easy to just slip into your pocket or your bra, your purse, or even your car. But I really love candle jar spells and just jar spells in general, because I'm a witch and I love jars. We have our incense. Very nice. I don't think it says a name on there. Let's smell. I was definitely smelling this outside the box. Yes. I want to say like, it almost gives me like jasmine vibes, but very faint, very not like super, super strong floral scents, but very pretty smelling. Very, very feminine. Yeah, it definitely smells like jasmine to me. I'm probably wrong, because I usually am when it comes to scents. Look at this. Oh my goddess. Oh yes. Okay, so another book to read. I need to find the time to read more books, because I'm just in love. I love building my little witchy library, especially like witch books. Come on, are they not the most beautiful books ever? Like, right? And this is just gorgeous. So Psychic Witch, a metaphysical guide to meditation, magic, and manifestation. So by Matt AURYN, foreword by Devin Hunter. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce that name. I apologize if I'm wrong, but oh my goodness. And the feel of this book, it has like that velvety, like, oh, it feels so good. Almost like, I want to say rubbery, but you know that feel where it's just like, yes, yes. You just want to open it up and hold it in your hands. So very excited. I love manifestation, just kind of everything that goes into manifestation, the bringing of positive energy and just intention together. And I love it. So I will be reading this and maybe doing a review, or maybe including it in my my top witchy books that I need to still make a video of. So I think that is everything. Let me set it up before I go blabbing about. Okay, I think I got it mostly all set up. Hopefully nothing moves. I won't breathe on it. So, look at how beautiful this box is. I love the earthy, just natural, simple, like gorgeous vibes. I really, really love it. Perfect set of just practical items to begin your spell work into manifestation and drawing things in. I'm very excited about this box. Okay, so I'm gonna read the top little bit of this, and if you want, you can skip past it and check out my little announcement at the very end. So excited. So it says, the summer solstice, also called midsummer in Litha, is the longest day of light and is dedicated to fire festivals, increased power, energy, and strength. This year, it falls on June 20th in the Northern Hemisphere. The traditions of Litha appear to be borrowed from many cultures. Most ancient cultures celebrated the summer solstice in some way. The Celts celebrated Litha with hilltop bonfires, dancing, and staying up all night to welcome the rising sun. In some traditions, Litha is when a battle between light and dark takes place. In this battle, the Oak King and the Holly King battle for control. During each solstice, they battle for power, and the balance shifts. The Oak King, who represents daylight, rules the winter solstice, Yule, to Litha. During this time, the days steadily get longer. However, during Litha, the Holly King wins this battle, and the days steadily darken until Yule. For modern day pagans, Litha is a day of inner power and brightness. So very, very pretty. Very, very nice information there about Litha. I will let y'all read the rest of it for yourself because I know that I personally don't like just kind of sitting through the entire bit. So you can screenshot that if you want, as well as all the items. They also give a very, very cool ritual usually in their boxes, like to go along with all the items. So I love that about Sugar Muses. Sugar Muses, like all of their boxes. So let's look at what the tarot cards. So search for Tarot Black and Gold by Pamela Coleman Smith on sugarmuses.com. So maybe this tarot is just called the Black and Gold Tarot. It is gorgeous. If you're looking for some sun energy, you got it right there. Like blindingly beautiful. So yes, let me know what you thought down below. And for my announcement, so I'm doing a collaboration with the Tiny Cauldron, and I have created some beautiful items to go in her Summerlands box, which is her Litha box that she will be releasing towards the end of this month around Litha, or maybe a little bit after, depending on how things go. And so very, very excited. If you are interested in that box, be sure to go to the Tiny Cauldron or check down below. I will also be doing updates on my Etsy, and so will she, or not my Etsy. I'll also be doing updates on my Instagram, and so will Sarah over there at the Tiny Cauldron. So go ahead and follow us over on Instagram. I will leave the links below for that as well. And I will also be posting some pictures and doing a little video on the creation of the pieces that I made for her boxes. So please let me know what you thought. Let me know if you're excited about that announcement, because I freaking am. I'm so excited. I'm pumped. And I'm so excited to be starting to be able to start working with some of these amazing businesses, small businesses, and witchy businesses. So thank you so much. I will talk to y'all later. Blessed be. Bye. So pretty.